Hi, my name is Miss Lais Rivero. Today I want to show you how to make the rice on the microwave. First, you need to buy this container that you can buy in Sedanos, Walgreens, wherever store that you want. The cost is the 5 to 10 bucks only. Does look like that. These are the ingredients that I want to use to make the rice. The corn oil, you can use another one if you have in-house, is fine. The salt and the rice that I have is Manhattan. You can use Jasmine, whatever is fine. I'm gonna make a start. Open the container. So this cup is to take the rice. 1 and 2. After that, you want to wash it with hot water 3 times. Very important. One. And 3. So now I have 2 here rice. You wanna add 3 cups of water. Okay, it's here inside. For 2 cups of rice, you wanna add 3 cups of water. If you do 3 cups of rice, you wanna add 4 cups of water. And if you have do 5 cups of rice, you wanna add 6 cups of water. So 5 cups of rice is the limit of this container. Okay? So for 2 rice, you wanna add 3. 2. That's the rice. And another one is gonna be 3. Now you're gonna put the salt, not too much, little bit like that. I'm gonna mix with the water. Now I'm gonna put the corn oil. I use this cup of coffee. Good. I'm gonna mix the oil, the salt, and the water with the rice. So then it's ready to go in the microwave for 20 minutes. Close. Open. 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I want to show you how the rice look. It's like that. But don't forget use the fork to do this, please. Of course, you want to do this in this container. If you want to pass like that with this crystal container that I have. So now it's ready to eat. So I like that you enjoy, so do in your house. Bye.